Welcome to our detailed exploration of maintenance, repairs, and operations, known as MRO. In this video, I, Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, will be your guide. I'll help you understand why MRO is crucial for the long-term health of your business and how it can help decrease your overall production costs. We'll discuss the types of equipment under MRO, the role of your team in managing MRO procedures and costs, and the various types of MRO maintenance. So, stay tuned to learn how to improve your MRO practices and, in turn, increase your operational efficiency. Let's dive into the world of MRO. This term refers to any equipment or process used to keep a facility running. So why is MRO important? Well, it's often overlooked when considering supply chain costs because these expenses don't directly contribute to end products. However, managing MRO costs effectively is absolutely vital to the long-term health of a business. By controlling MRO costs, you have the potential to reduce production expenses. Even though it typically only accounts for 6 to 10% of a company's total spend. It does this by decreasing costly equipment downtime, improving the efficiency of operations, and ensuring safety in the workplace. For instance, consider a food packing plant that stays on top of its MRO expenses and practices. This company will likely experience fewer equipment breakdowns. If breakdowns do occur, the company will be more likely to have the right replacement parts on hand and will have streamlined processes for getting equipment back up and running quickly and efficiently. So, what kind of equipment falls under MRO? Well, it's any equipment used to keep machines, buildings, and offices running smoothly. This includes safety equipment like hard hats, gloves, and goggles, batteries, lubricant, fuel for vehicles, and office supplies, along with tools like hammers, screwdrivers, wrenches, cleaning supplies, computer systems, and IT, replacement parts, and maintenance management software, such as computerized maintenance management system programs. Remember, having the right inventory on hand is key to MRO management. If you find you have the wrong part in stock, your maintenance processes will be less effective, and you'll have much longer downtimes when repairs are needed. MRO doesn't just involve supplies and equipment, it also includes both internal team members and external contractors responsible for keeping a company operating smoothly. The maintenance department, typically composed of maintenance technicians, supervisors, and managers, is primarily responsible for MRO processes, procedures, and expenditures. This team routinely manages preventive, corrective, and predictive maintenance plans, which can include collecting and assigning work orders, scheduling maintenance tasks based on time or usage, and managing programs like reliability-centered maintenance. Companies may also use third-party contractors for other MRO tasks, such as janitorial needs or landscaping. The expenses associated with these services also fall under MRO. Maintaining proper MRO processes can be advantageous to a business in many ways. It can decrease downtime, improve employee safety, and reduce repair times. When spare parts, tools, and other supplies are available and organized, the amount of time a maintenance task or repair takes will drop. In many cases, CMMS solutions can help organizations plan the order of maintenance tasks to reduce travel between assets or locations, increasing efficiency further. Now, let's talk about the different types of MRO maintenance. MRO includes many different kinds of maintenance and management processes. Many production and manufacturing companies use one or more of the following types of maintenance. First, we have predictive maintenance. This utilizes sensors and other advanced technology to monitor different equipment conditions such as temperature, humidity, mileage, and so forth. You can set acceptable ranges for these factors, and when an asset falls out of range, an automated notification can be sent to a centralized system. These factors can help you predict when an asset is in danger of failing, so that action can be taken before the breakdown occurs. Next, we have preventive maintenance. This typically involves regularly scheduling maintenance tasks based on time or hours used. Tasks such as lubrication, adjustments, tightening, and visual inspections are designed to keep equipment in good working order, as well as potentially catch problems before they result in downtime. Then there's corrective maintenance, often referred to as reactive maintenance. These tasks are performed only when equipment breaks down. Although there are situations where corrective maintenance is the best solution, it is often a costly alternative. Condition-based maintenance is a bit like predictive maintenance and tends to use tools like sensors as well. However, in condition-based maintenance, the condition of the equipment determines when work requests are initiated. Total productive maintenance, or TPM, is a more comprehensive program that involves multiple departments. For example, operators are responsible for cleaning machines during and after a shift. Maintenance managers, on the other hand, are in charge of purchasing, IT, and other areas to create best practices and budgets. Inventory management is critical to maintenance, repairs, and operations because having the right items on hand where they can be located easily is important to efficiently completing tasks. MRO inventories need to be kept well stocked, but well managed to avoid waste. Companies may rely on a CMMS or other inventory management software to help. Finally, we have workflow management. Having a system in place to manage daily workflow for maintenance operators contributes to better MRO. The management team should work to remove any obstacles, provide adequate and ongoing training, and use planning and scheduling software to help each day run efficiently. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at MRO. Understanding and effectively managing MRO can lead to decreased downtime, improved safety, and increased efficiency in your operations. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the importance of MRO, different types of equipment under MRO, and the various types of MRO maintenance. Remember, effective MRO management can decrease downtime, improve safety, and increase operational efficiency. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information about our services, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you improve your maintenance and operations.